Minu robot Hokhi. That means Minu's robot friend. Hokhi means Sokhi, you know, Shakha, like this. So Minu is a girl. She brought up by single parent. Her father died in a scooter. He met in a fatal accident, in scooter accident. So Minu was brought up by her mother. So was feeling loneliness and missing her father. But a child never disclosed that she is or he is missing his father or mother. And my story is that Minu ultimately got an alien friend. So just like this, my Pen Pen is an alien character. Minu put his name Pen Pen. So Pen Pen take any shape. So because it came to stay with Minu for some few months or few days. So he took a shape of dog. Then Minu had one robot friends in shape of another girl of her same age. Her name was Ripa. It was made by a robotic engineer Partho Mama. So that robot was made for Minu because Minu was always alone. So Partho Mama made a robot, Rupa. Rupa also she had to train, and once she took Rupa to her school. There some festival was going on, school festival. Then Rupa became very weak because she was not charging properly. Then so many problems were there because she couldn't tell that she is a robot, she wants charging, just like mobile telephone. And so many things are here, this Minu robot Hokhi. When I am writing for Minu, then it is 8 to 10. When writing from this one, Hunti, this were 10 to 12. No, not actually. My children sections, I am dealing with social problems, which are poor children, poor child. His father was ill, he couldn't continue his study. But recently, you know, children are developing all these internet and science things because I am writing for 25 years. So now I feel that they should have some input about science. So I started to write science fiction for children also. Actually, I am working different field for children, then adults, and then I am translator also. I am translating many books of George Steinbeck, Ruskin Bond himself, because I'd be very happy if you would come here. The Sahitya Academy assigned me 2 books of Ruskin Bond to translate into Assamese, so I had translated. Then George Orwell, then Mark Twain for children, of course, Huckleberry Finn. So I like to translate also.